Third years, today we will learn about the finding percentage. Okay, how can we find the percentage? So question will be like this: that convert into percentage. Okay, convert into percent. So we need to convert into percentage. Okay, so how will be this question? This is a different kind of question. Okay, so we need to convert into percentages. That is our thing. So the question is that I will give rupees 60 of rupees 200. Okay, rupees 60 of rupees 200. So we need to convert this as a percentage. Rupees 60 of rupees 200. Okay, in rupees 200, rupees 60 is how many percentages? That is the question. Simple. Rupees 60 in rupees 200, rupees 60 is how much? We know how we are finding our percentage of our mark. The marks we got divided by the total marks into 100. That is the way to find out the percentage of your mark. For example, you are attending an examination. Okay, this mark is out of 50. So it is out of 50. You obtained a mark of 48. So to find out the percentage of your mark, what you are doing is marks you obtained divided by the total marks into 100. Then you will get the percentage of the marks you got. The same way, here also we are finding the same way. Here we need to find out the 60 is how many percentage, isn't it, of 200. Okay, 200 to 60 is how many percentages. So 60 divided by the total is 200 into 100 we have to do. Okay, when you do this thing we will get the answer. Okay, so here you can see that this 20 we can cancel. Then 60 by 2. 60 by 2 is what? So 30% is the answer. Got it? Okay. Next one. 300 ml of 500 ml. Okay. In 500 ml is 300 ml is how many percentage? So 300 ml divided by total ml is what? 500 into 100. Then 20 just cancel it. Then 300 by 5. 300 by 5 you have to find it. So 30, 300 by 5 how can we do? So you can divide. So 30 by 5. 6 5s are 30. So 60 you will get. Okay, or just divide. If you don't know how to divide this one, just divide this way. By 5 and find it. Okay. So the answer is what? 60. Okay. 60. So in 500 ml, 300 ml is 60 percentage. Okay. So this one. Maybe the different kinds of questions will be asked. That is on exercise 4.5. The first question is 25 paisa. 25 paisa. That means 25p of rupees 1. 25 paise of rupees 1. Here the thing is that one is in paise and one is in rupees. So you have to find out 25 paise is how much in rupees 1. How many percentage rupees 1. So here you cannot write that 25 by 1 divided into 100 because this is in paise and this is in rupees. So you have to convert into what? This one into rupees into paise. Understand? So that is very easy, isn't it? 25 paise divided by rupees 1, how many paise? In 1 rupees, how many paise is there? That you have to know. 100 paise means 1 rupees. So rupees 1 you have to convert it here. Then you have to do. Both must be in same units. The previous one it is in ml. One is in ml, one is in liter means you can't do. You have to convert into simpler units. So 25 divided by 100 into 100 you have to do. Then it's cut it. Okay, you will get a 25 percentage. Isn't it? In rupees 1, 25 paise is 25% of it, isn't it? So that is the one. Next thing, 50 ml of 5 liter. Here it is 50 ml of 5 liter. Here both are different units. So 50 divided by 5 if you are writing it is wrong. You have to convert this 5 liter into milliliter. Okay, so 1 liter is water. 1 liter is water. 1000 ml, isn't it? 1000 ml means 1 liter. That one we studied. So you have to write 50 divided by 1 liter is 1000 ml. Then what is 5 liter? That is 5000 ml. So 50 divided by 5000 into 100 you have to do. Then now it is both in water, same unit, 50 ml, and this is also in ml. So I converted 5 liter into 5. It is converted into milliliters. Okay, 50 by 5000. Then cut it. Two zeros you can cut here. This 0 and this 0 you can cut. Now 5 by 5. 5 by 5 is water. 5 by 5. 5 into 1 is 5. Divided by 5. Then 5 by 5. 5 by 5 is 1. 1% is the answer. So for 50 ml of 5 liter. In 5 liter, 50 ml is only 1% of it. It is very small. It is 5000 ml. This is 50 ml. Okay. So it is 1%. You will get the answer like that way. So like that you can do. If it is in different, this now C is 200 meter and 1 kilometer. So 1 kilometer you have to convert into meters. Easily. Then you have to find it. Okay. So like that way you have to do the rest of the question. Okay. So that's all. Thank you.